Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. So we've got news releases coming out at 8:30 today, GDP, jobless claims, and a few other high impact news events. So I'm thinking the market is going to draw to this 4134 level, which is a daily level just down here. So if we zoom all the way out, you can see like we've been trading down on these higher time frames. So I believe this is like the draw down here. We've also got a weekly gap right there. So I reckon that we'll probably spike down into that. I want to see the news be the impact to take us down there. The risk to reward that I'm looking at right now on this potential setup is pretty decent. I'm just looking for it to spike up just a little bit more, maybe into this gap here on the 75% level, and that would allow us to have quite a tight stop just above here for around 5-6 sort of handles. We can see that we've got this market structure shift in here, and we haven't taken out this liquidity down here. So when the news comes out in around 5 minutes, if we get like any push up into here, I may look just to have a really tight risk to reward and trade one contract down into those lower levels. So I want to see the AM session trade down. Obviously we've got this liquidity void just here on the 1 hour time frame, so that is a factor that we have to consider. We could very easily begin to trade back up into some of this range that we had from yesterday and fill the new day open gap from yesterday and the new day open gap low. But obviously that's quite far, and if the market is attracted into this level down here, we can see that this swing projection, that would be 2 standard deviations from this high to this low projected below from there. So that's ideally what I'm looking at, and if I do get a nice discount in price on the lower time frames, but I'm generally interested in the 5 minute. Any push up into there when the news comes out in a few minutes, I want to see us stay below this 15-minute fair value gap, and I want these highs to stay intact. So yeah, any push up into there, I'll look to go short. Obviously there's potential we could go higher, so if we do trade up above this 15-minute fair value gap, then we'll most likely fill this liquidity void and into the new week open gap of Friday 12th and Sunday the 14th of May. So that's the outlook for price today for the EMINI.